In this video, you will learn how to customize your Gohighlevel dashboard. First, go to the Gohighlevel login page and enter your credentials to get to your account. Then, once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Click on the dashboard in the left-hand navigation menu. Gohighlevel will allow you to add, remove and rearrange widgets on your dashboard. To add widgets, you can add widgets that show data such as key performance metrics, such as active campaigns, sales funnels, leads or tasks. You can rearrange widget or move widgets around. Click and drag the widgets by the header to place it where you want. Remove widgets. Hover over the widget you want to remove. You should see an option there, the three dots or the trash can icon, to delete or hide the widget. You can also change the default layout of your Gohighlevel account. Some options might adjust how the widgets are displayed though. Check the layout settings or any theme customization options in the dashboard settings. Once you have customized your dashboard to your liking, make sure to save the changes and refresh the page to ensure your layout is all updated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.